Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and taking the first measurable step. Run a focus site audit to expose weak pages and indexing issues, then pick one AI tool that fits your workflow, Keyword Extractor or Content Assistant. Once done, export your top 20 pages and seed keywords into a spreadsheet. This avoids scatter. You'll use these immediately to feed the AI. Make sure to note traffic, conversions, and current rankings, so the AI recommendations map to real goals. Now you move into execution. Ask the AI to expand your seed keywords into intent-based clusters and prioritized long-tail phrases because relevance beats volume. Then create granular content briefs that include target keywords, suggested headings, meta descriptions, and internal link suggestions. Use the AI to rewrite weak intros and craft FAQ snippets for featured snippets. Meanwhile, optimize page speed and compress images. These technical wins lift ranking. Finish by publishing your optimized content and technical fixes while ensuring tracking tags, canonical tags, and sitemap updates are in place so analytics reflect changes. Then monitor rankings, CTR, bounce, and engagement over 2 to 6 weeks. Iterate weekly based on what moves metrics. If performance drops, troubleshoot. Roll back the last change, test a /B variance, or refine AI prompts and briefs. One key tip: if traffic falls, check indexing and canonicalization first. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.